Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha RMAX 4 Limited. We just installed the new Tusk V3 light bar on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the bar. As you can see, the mount on there mounts to existing holes that are already on the frame structure of the machine. Very nice looking bracket. Awesome light bar on there. You've got both spot and flood lights on this dual row. Now on the inside, the Tusk kit does come with everything you need to do the install, but it has a switch that looks like this. We're not a big fan of this switch. It's okay, but we like to use the rocker switch locations on the machine. So we have used the Tusk light bar switch there. Very nice bright light bar. Got the cooling fins there on the back. Looks awesome there on the machine. (435-427-3338). You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What do you think? We'll post up in the description below where you can go on and purchase this kit right from our online store, Ruthless Motorsports. Have a great day, everybody.